ka long igi ka bomna ban long legally.
The Meghalaya government will soon introduce operation and maintenance rules to ensure proper upkeep of projects after their completion, according to PHE Minister Marcus Marak. He noted that most projects are progressing well, meeting specifications, though some Jal Jeevan Mission projects in the state have faced delays due to land and forest clearance issues. JJM, launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 15th August 2019, aims to provide functional household tap connections to every rural household by 2024.
The normal works which needs to be continued. So things are going on in good pace. But then I wanted to know myself. I wanted to visit the sites, and I wanted to see how far the progress is going on. Reason for delaying some of the projects is because of lane issue. Some of the lanes, we got very late. There was series of discussion happened. So that is also one among them. And then some of the projects are getting delayed because of forest clearances. Forest clearances, very well, there are lots of procedures to go. So which took lots of time and then lots of effort from the officials. So these are the reasons why we took so long.